Imagine traveling down a highway where your vehicle isn't just a means of transport, but a moving palace. A home that symbolizes power, luxury, and freedom. Picture being able to go wherever you desire with no limits while your home travels alongside you. That dream has now become reality with the magnificent creation of 2026, the Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle. It's a revolution in the world of travel, where driving becomes a way of life. Stay with us till the end, and if you love luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Dream Drive Homes to stay updated on the world's most extraordinary motorhomes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're loving the content, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get this thing on the road.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
The Kenworth T-2000 is a legendary name, a truck that made its mark on American highways. But in 2026, it has been transformed into a royal motorhome that perfectly blends power and comfort. Its exterior design is breathtaking, long, elegant front, gleaming chrome grille, modern LED headlights, and an aerodynamic body sculpted for perfect airflow, giving it a majestic presence on the road.
Welcome aboard the future of travel. This is the 2026 Kenworth T-2000, where luxury meets the open road.
As you step inside, you instantly realize this is no ordinary truck. It's a world of its own. Polished wooden floors, premium leather seats, soft ambient lighting, and a cutting-edge smart control system make you feel like you've entered a five-star hotel on wheels. The interior space is surprisingly expansive, with side panels that extend at the touch of a button, turning the cabin into a grand lounge. Plush sofas, an 8K entertainment screen, and a powerful surround sound system transform your journey into a cinematic experience. The kitchen feels like a chef's dream come true, featuring touch-controlled stoves, a large smart refrigerator, a coffee machine, and Italian marble countertops. Even the dining table is crafted from natural wood and can transform into a workspace or study area with a single touch. The bedroom offers unmatched comfort. The king-size bed includes a temperature control system that keeps you warm in winter and cool in summer. The walls are fully soundproof to ensure peaceful rest even on the move. Beside the bed, a digital control panel allows you to manage lighting, temperature, and window settings effortlessly. The bathroom rivals a five-star suite, equipped with a rain shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors that display weather or news updates. When it comes to performance, Kenworth has made no compromises. The T-2000 houses a next-generation hybrid turbo diesel engine that delivers both power and fuel efficiency. Its air suspension system ensures an ultra-smooth and comfortable ride. Safety is top-notch, featuring auto-driving assist, lane-keeping technology, 360-degree cameras, and adaptive cruise control, making every journey secure and relaxing. In terms of technology, this motorhome is a true marvel. The entire system runs on artificial intelligence, AI, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and energy with voice commands. The solar panels on the roof make it eco-friendly and self-sustaining. Even in remote areas, you'll stay connected through internet and satellite communication systems. At the rear, there's a compact garage space for a motorcycle or an electric car, allowing you to explore nearby areas once you reach your destination. And when you wish to unwind, the roof expands into a luxurious lounge or jacuzzi area, perfect for relaxing under the stars, whether you're in the mountains or by the ocean. But what truly sets it apart is not just its features, it's the philosophy behind it. The T-2000 represents freedom. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, built for those who dream big, who wish to explore the world without boundaries, and who want the comfort of home wherever they go. In 2026, Kenworth has proven that the line between homes and vehicles no longer exists. The T-2000 introduces a new concept where travel itself becomes life. Every road a new experience, every mile a new story, every dawn a fresh beginning. In the end, it can be said that the Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome 2026 is not merely a machine, it's a dream turned into reality. A masterpiece of power, beauty, and freedom, transforming travel from necessity into pure luxury. Can you imagine yourself behind the wheel of this rolling palace, waking up to a new horizon every single day? Share your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to Dream Drive Homes, where we bring you closer to the world's most incredible motorhomes.